Let's see the calculations. Now, the time taken for 10 oscillations were noted. So, for our present experiment, it was 9.9 seconds. Okay, effective length of the string. So, effective length of the string is from the pivot point to the center of the bob. So, if you add both, so 0.225 plus 0.05. So, we will be getting 0.255 meters in meters. So, this is the effective length, because the center of gravity is nothing but at the center of the bob. Okay. Now, time taken for one oscillation is also calculated. Since we have time taken for 10 oscillations is 9.9. So, time taken for one oscillation is going to be, so divided by 10. So, 9.9 divided by 10, which is nothing but 0.99. So, F experimental. So, we have the formula for F experimental as well as F theoretical. F experimental is, it is nothing but reciprocal of time period, whereas F theoretical frequency is given by 1 by 2 pi square root of g by effective length. Okay. Now, if we calculate the frequency which is experimental, so 1 divided by 0.99, 1 divided by 0.99, which is nothing but 1.01 hertz. So, this is the experimental frequency, whereas theoretical frequency is, so 1 by 2 pi square root of 9.81 divided by the effective length for the first trial is 0.255. If we calculate this, so square root of 81 divided by 0.255 divided by 2 pi. So, this is 0.987, 0.987. So, we are going to enter here 1.01 and theoretical is 0.987 hertz for trial 1. Similarly, for different lengths of the string, we can conduct this experiment. Thank you.